This is the one. Welcome to 1312 Sweetwater Road, Newport, Tennessee. Talk about a hidden gem at an amazing value. The private drive instantly gives you the feel of exclusiveness and privacy that is so hard to find with this acreage. Set on 13 unrestricted acres, this property offers endless opportunities for outdoor activities, from hunting and hiking to exploring the surrounding wildlife-rich landscape. Upon entry, the foyer opens into the cabin with spacious 9-foot ceilings and elevated finishes that are immediately noticeable. The first bedroom is filled with natural light and comfortably accommodates a king or queen bed. Continuing down the hall, the second bedroom can also accommodate a queen bed or be transformed into a comfortable office, offering flexibility based on your needs. At the end of the hallway, the full bathroom features a modern walk-in shower and a marble-top vanity. The hall laundry closet provides easy access to a full-size setup. The heart of the home is the common area. The centerpiece is a beautiful stacked stone fireplace with a slate ceramic hearth and a wood burning stove, perfect for gathering. The eat and kitchen features a built-in high-top table, open shelving, hickory cabinets, a classic retro propane gas range, and butcher block countertops adding durability and a polished finish. The showstopper is the covered back deck and the instant vibe set by the sounds of a private stream just below the property. The setup allows for a lower environmental impact and adds to the self-sufficiency of the home. It's low maintenance, operates with efficient propane and gas appliances, has a septic system, and is serviced by a private well. The property includes 4 lots totaling just over 13 unrestricted acres, providing plenty of versatility whether you're looking for a full-time residence, a second home, or even a short-term rental with room for future expansion. The location is an easy 5-minute drive to I-40 and is convenient to Sevierville in the Smoky Mountains, Hot Springs, Martha Sundquist State Park, and more. Experiencing this one-of-a-kind property firsthand is sure to make you fall in love. Schedule your showing today.